Hello. Per your request, here I am preparing the grung for the cha grung, Cambodian dish, which is widely known as some spicy dishes. So here I am comprising some of these fresh ingredients that I can obtain here in Las Vegas, which is not easy because everything else is so not available. So from the backyard, I still have this kaffir leaves, or the lime leaves, or what you call it, and I have lemongrass. I have 2 stalks of this, and I have some shallots, a few of these, and I have fresh garlics, some peel already right here, and I will use dry pepper, which is traditionally used by our ancestors, and then I have dry galangal. I soak it overnight, so that should work. It may not achieve the best flavor, but it's better than nothing. So I started peeling everything. I started chopping some of this. So by the end of the chopping or dice, you will have about a cup of fine diced lemongrass, and so you can achieve the fine dice. Well, not very fine, but at least I got that part taken care of, and then you will like kind of pick off this hard core here, and what I did with that, I like mine more authentic, so therefore I have tendency to over seasoning my cooking, which is I can achieve like the traditional or the tradition flavor where I'm not modifying anything save for some of these ingredients is not fresh or available. So the coffee, the carefully, did I say it right? I don't know. Anyway, the kaffir leaves is it had a very nice aroma. It's I think related to limes or lemon trees. So I have about a small bowl of this. So this is like sauce bowl. So I had about that much. If you want some more, you add some more. So overly, I have about, if you like me, I like peppers, so spicy. So that is the whole goal of this cooking, is that it'll be spicy, very spicy. If you don't like that much spice or hot in it, so reduce the pepper, so you can increase it. So I will use the same thing for garlic here, fresh. And oh, by the way, thank you for my in-law for sending this garlic. So I guess that I'm heavy on these fresh ingredients. And then by the time you're done, so you probably have about 3 bowls of this lemongrass here, and then about half a bowl of this galangal, because this is nice and fresh. And so I have about 5-6 of this shallots and still peeling it, and then I'll see you, and it should be it when I'm done with dicing